The holiday season, with its festive spirit and joyous celebrations, brings unique challenges for property managers. Christmas time, while filled with cheer, can also present complications that require careful planning and management. In this article, we will explore the potential complications that property managers may encounter during the Christmas season and strategies to navigate them successfully. 1. Increased maintenance requests. Christmas time often coincides with winter weather conditions in many regions. Property managers may experience a surge in maintenance requests related to heating systems, plumbing issues, and weather-related damages. The demand for timely repairs can be overwhelming, requiring property managers to prioritize effectively and coordinate with maintenance teams to ensure prompt resolutions. Strategy. Implement preventive maintenance measures before the holiday season begins. Conduct thorough property inspections, address potential issues proactively, and communicate with tenants about winter maintenance tips. Establish clear procedures for reporting and prioritizing maintenance requests to streamline the process. 2. Tenant vacations and travel. The Christmas season prompts many tenants to travel or take vacations, leading to potential complications in property management. Security concerns, such as package deliveries, mail collection, and property safety during extended tenant absences, become focal points for property managers. Strategy. Communicate with tenants in advance about their travel plans and provide guidelines for securing their properties. Encourage the use of smart home security systems, coordinate with postal services for mail collection, and implement secure package delivery solutions. Ensure that emergency contacts are updated in case issues arise during a tenant's absence. 3. Holiday decorating and property aesthetics. While festive decorations contribute to the holiday spirit, property managers may face challenges related to the aesthetics of the properties they manage. Some tenants may go overboard with decorations, potentially causing damage or violating property guidelines. Strategy. Establish clear guidelines regarding holiday decorations in advance. Communicate these guidelines to tenants and emphasize the importance of respecting property regulations. Conduct inspections to ensure compliance with these guidelines while allowing tenants to enjoy the holiday season responsibly. 4. Rental payment challenges. The holiday season can strain tenants' budgets due to increased expenses related to gifts, travel, and celebrations. Property managers may encounter challenges with timely rental payments, leading to potential financial complications for property owners. Strategy. Proactively communicate with tenants about the importance of timely rent payments, especially during the holiday season. Offer flexibility where appropriate, such as adjusting payment schedules or providing online payment options for convenience. Remind tenants of the financial responsibilities associated with their lease agreements. 5. Community events and noise complaints. Christmas often brings community events, parties, and gatherings. While these festivities contribute to a vibrant community, property managers may receive noise complaints from tenants who are disturbed by the celebrations of their neighbors. Strategy. Communicate expectations regarding noise levels during the holiday season. Remind tenants of community guidelines and encourage them to be mindful of their neighbors. Establish a clear process for reporting noise complaints and address violations promptly to maintain a harmonious living environment. While the Christmas season brings joy and celebration, property managers must be prepared to navigate the unique challenges it presents. By implementing proactive strategies, maintaining clear communication, and addressing issues promptly, property managers can ensure a smooth and enjoyable holiday season for both tenants and property owners. Successfully managing complications during Christmas time requires a combination of foresight, effective planning, and a commitment to maintaining the overall well-being of the properties under their care.